everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. That's right, the fitness you can eat. Happy Canada Day to everybody out there celebrating it. Yes. All right, so today, what are we doing? Very cool. I am making a vegan spice cake. Kind of getting ready for the holiday because it is Canada Day today. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is preheat the oven. So I've already set it to 350 degrees and I've also greased a 9-inch round pan. Next, we're going to combine the vinegar and the almond milk. Alright, so add the almond milk and this is the vinegar. That's the vinegar. And we're just going to put that aside. Go on to number 3. Alright, part 3 is totally simple. We're just going to add the dry ingredients basically all together. So the flour, spices, baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. Quickly mix that up. Number 4. Then I'm going to add the oil and the water, the vanilla extract, vanilla essence, whatever you call it, and the lemon juice. Quickly we're done. Let's add it to the dry. I did not forget to add the sugar into the dry. Now, you can probably tell from how much liquid there is, it's going to be a kind of a liquidy batter, but that's perfect. That's what you want. And stir until you get all the lumps out. Okay, so now that the cake has had time to cool, I'm going to start with the decorating. So I've got my icing sugar here. So I'm going to add the vanilla extract to the lemon juice, stir it around just a little bit, and add it to the sugar. Now, obviously, stir slowly so it doesn't go flying everywhere, but take your time. And if you need more lemon juice, go right ahead and add it. So I want it just a bit more runny. I'm gonna add a little bit more lemon juice. We're almost there. Oh yeah, that's much better. Well guys, that's it. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It is awesome. But before you go and make this recipe, please remember to hit that like button. It helps me out so much. Don't forget to leave a comment below, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos. Happy Canada Day to all my Canadians out there. I will see you guys next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye!